City English News. Governor Arif Mohammad Khan returning to state today hopes to pave the way for resolving issues with the government. The governor will arrive in Kochi at 8 p.m. and will visit the house of M.A. Yusuf Ali tomorrow, then go to Becker. Governor will also attend some private functions in Kasaragod. As Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan is going to Delhi to attend the CPM Politburo meeting, it is unlikely that the two will meet face to face. At the same time, there are indications that some CPM leaders close to the governor will try to persuade him. President Ramnath Kovind will pay a 4-day visit to Kerala from 21 to 24 this month. The President will visit Kasaragod, Kannur, Ernakulam and Thiruvananthapuram. The President will arrive at Kannur Airport at 12:30 p.m. on 21st of December and will go to Kasaragod by helicopter. Ramnath Kovind will take part in the graduation ceremony of the Central University to be held at Kasaragod at 3:30 p.m. Auto, taxi and light motor workers will go on strike on 30th of this month. The strike is being led by Motor Workers Joint Committee. The strike is aimed at curbing the need for permits for e-auto rickshaws, update auto taxi fares, avoid GPS on old vehicles, extend vehicle demolition load to 20 years. If no action is taken, an indefinite strike will begin in January. The strike committee convener K.S. Sunil Kumar said. Private companies increase the price of bottled water. The new rate is rupees 20 per litre. Water Resources Minister Roshi Agustin meanwhile said the government would not increase the price of the product Hilly Aqua. Hilly Aqua is currently on sale for rupees 13. On Tuesday, the High Court stayed the state government's order fixing the price of bottled water at rupees 13. The court issued the interim order on a petition by the Bottled Water Producers Association. The High Court had issued an interim order directing the central government to set prices under the Food Security Act. After this, private companies raised the price of bottled water. Kerala police is ready to curb the rising violence, drug trafficking and smuggling in the state. As part of this, a new scheme called Operation Guard will be launched. State Police Chief Anil Kant said. He also issued guidelines for the prevention of drug trafficking, smuggling and gang violence. The main objectives of the project are to find the culprits and bring them to justice. The fire broke out around 6 a.m. today at Taluk office in Vadagara Sub-Jail Treasury building. Significant damage was reported. Firefighters rushed to the scene and put out the fire. KCB Pensioners Association has demanded the implementation of pension security and health insurance. Even after 8 years as KCB became a company, the Master Trust has not been yet implemented to meet the pension liabilities. Action should be taken to end the organized exploitation of the board in the name of Welfare Fund. Today, International Pension Day is celebrated as Rights Day and KCB hold a campaign in front of KCB offices. Organization President Muhammad Ali Rawatar and General Secretary P. Ashok Kumar said at the press conference.
യൂണിയൻ സംഘടനകളും മറ്റ് സംഘടനാ ഭാരവാഹികളൊക്കെയായി ചേർന്ന് ഒരു ത്രികക്ഷി കരാർ ഉണ്ടാക്കിയതിനു ശേഷം അതിന്റെ ഭാഗമായിട്ട് ഒരു മാസ്റ്റർ ട്രസ്റ്റ് രൂപീകരിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ട്. 2014 ഈ മാസ്റ്റർ ട്രസ്റ്റ് രൂപീകരിച്ചതെങ്കിലും അത് സർക്കാരിന്റെ അപ്രൂവലിന് വേണ്ടിയും അതുപോലെ ഇൻകം ടാക്സ് ഡിപ്പാർട്ട്മെന്റിന്റെ അപ്രൂവലിന് വേണ്ടിയും 2 വർഷം കാത്തിരിക്കേണ്ടി വന്നു. അതിനുശേഷം 2017 ഈ മാസ്റ്റർ ട്രസ്റ്റ് പ്രവർത്തനം തുടങ്ങേണ്ടിയിരുന്നത്. പക്ഷേ അതിനുശേഷം 2017 ശേഷം ഈ മാസ്റ്റർ ട്രസ്റ്റിൽ വിഭാവന ചെയ്തിരുന്ന യാതൊരു കാര്യങ്ങളും അതിന്റെ എഗ്രിമെന്റ് കണ്ടീഷൻ അനുസരിച്ച് അതിന്റെ മീറ്റിങ്ങുകൾ കൂടിയോ ജനകൂടി കൂടിയോ അതിൽ വിഭാവന ചെയ്യുന്ന രീതിയിൽ ഫണ്ട്.
Actress Bhagyalakshmi and 3 others have been charged in the case of attacking YouTuber. The Thambanur police filed the charge sheet in Thiruvananthapuram Additional Judicial Magistrate Court. Apart from Bhagyalakshmi, Diya Sana and Sri Lakshmi are the other accused in the case. According to the charge sheet, Vijay P. Nair, a YouTuber, was assaulted at the lodge and then sprayed with ink. He has been charged with trespassing, assault and making death threats. However, the court directed the accused, including Bhagyalakshmi, to appear in person on December 22nd. The most controversial event was in September 2020. Bhagyalakshmi and her gang had beaten up Vijay P. Nair for allegedly abusing women through videos on YouTube channel. They had released the incident on Facebook Live and Vijay P. Nair apologized for this. Here winding up the news. To get the notification of JK City News, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you.